Question number 45, page number 1.114. Omission of interest on capital in closed accounts when profit is inadequate. A and B were partners sharing profits and losses equally. On 31st March 2020, the capitals after making adjustment of profits and drawings were rupees 2,80,000 and rupees 1,90,000. Drawings of A and B during 2019-20 were rupees 40,000 and 30,000, and profit of the firm during this period was rupees 40,000. Subsequently, it was found that interest on capital at the rate 10% per annum was omitted. Pass necessary adjustment entry, give your full working note. So in this question, the profits are inadequate and the interest on capital is being provided by the partnership deed. So here how it will be done? Question number 45, page 1.114. A and B are partners. Total will be done. Again we have to calculate the capital at the beginning because the capital at the end is given. Capital as on 31/3/2020 was 2,80,000 for A, 1,90,000 for B. The drawings were of rupees 40,000 and 30,000. We will add the drawings. 2,80,000 plus 40,000 comes to 3,20,000. 1,90,000 plus 30,000 comes to rupees 2,20,000. We will subtract the profit which was divided equally without providing interest on capital. So profit was of rupees 40,000 and it is to be divided equally among the partners. So 20,000 is for A, 20,000 is for B. So from 3,20,000 minus 20,000 it comes to 3 lakh, and 3 lakh from 2,20,000 in case of B minus 20,000 it comes to 2 lakh. So this is the capital as on 1/4/2019, that is at the beginning. Now the profit which was 20,000 which was distributed, total comes to 40,000. Now when the profit is less and the interest on capital is to be provided as per the deed, and it is a case of the appropriation of interest on capital is an appropriation of profits. In that case we will calculate the interest on capital and we will distribute the profit in the ratio of interest on capital. So here working note, calculation of interest on capital at the rate 10% per annum. A and B, capital of A is 3 lakh and of B is 2 lakh as we have calculated above. So here interest on capital for A is 3 lakh into 10 by 100 and for B is 2 lakh into 10 by 100. It comes to 30,000 for A and 20,000 for B. Total comes to 50,000, but the profit is just 40,000. So we will distribute the profit in the proportion of interest on capital. So 30,000 divided by 50,000, total of this comes to 50,000. 30,000 divided by 50,000 into 40,000. The profit will be distributed in this ratio. 20,000 divided by 50,000 into 40,000. So it comes to 6,000 and 4,000. 6,000 into 4 is equal to 24,000. 4,000 into 4 is equal to 16,000. This amount will be deducted over here. So out of 20,000 minus 24,000 comes to minus 4,000, and out of 20,000 minus 16,000 comes to positive 4,000. So B has a positive amount, B's capital account will be debited, and A had a negative amount, so A's capital account will be credited. Now question number 46. Omission of interest on capital and salary of a partner for 2 years, where 2 years interest on capital and salary has not been provided or has not been charged and the profits have been divided. In this case, A, B and C were partners in a firm. On 1st April 2018, their fixed capitals stood at rupees 50,000, 25,000 and 25,000. The capitals are fixed, so the past adjustment entry will be passed through current account of the partners. As per provisions of the partnership deed, A was entitled for a salary of rupees 5,000 per annum. All the partners were entitled to interest on capital at the rate 5% per annum. Profit were to be shared in the ratio of capitals. The net profit for the year ending 31/3/2018 of 33,000 and 31st March 2019 was 45,000 were divided equally. The profits were divided equally for the 2 years, 2018 and 2019. 2018 33,000 was divided equally. 2019 45,000 was divided equally, although they should have been divided in the ratio of their capital. So this is the thing that has been done wrong without providing for the above terms, and neither the salary was adjusted and nor the interest on capital was adjusted, and the profits were divided. So this is the omission that has been done. Pass an adjustment journal entry to rectify the above error. So in this case, the fixed capitals, this is question number 46, page 1.115. the fixed, there are 3 partners, A, B and C, and 1 column we will prepare for total. Their fixed capitals were 50,000, 25,000 and 25,000. Profit, see working note 2. Here the working note 2 is for the calculation of profit. Profit for 2018 was 33,000. Add profit for 2019, it is 45,000. Total profit comes to 78,000. And this profit was divided among the partners in equally. So the division was as follows: 26,000 to A, 26,000 to B, 26,000 to C. Total comes to 78,000. Now less interest on capital at the rate 5% per annum. See working note number 3. Here is the working note 3. In working note 3, calculation for interest on capital for partners at the rate 5% per annum. For A, on 50,000 at the rate 5%, it comes to 2,500. This is for 1 year. For 2 years, it will come to rupees 5,000. For B, 25,000 is the capital. 5% of 25,000 comes to 1,250 for a single year, and for 2 years it will be 2,500. For C, 25,000 is at the rate 5% comes to 1,250 for a single year, and for 2 years it will be 2,500. Total comes to 10,000. So here interest on capital 5,000 for A, 2,500 for B, 2,500 for C. Total comes to 10,000. We will subtract this amount. 21,000 out of 26,000 minus 5,000 comes to 21,000. From 26,000 minus 2,500 comes to 23,500. From 26,000 minus 2,500 comes to 23,500. And from 78,000 minus 10,000 it comes to rupees 68,000. Now less salary. See working note 4. Here salary, calculation of salary to A at the rate to rupees 5,000 per annum. For a year salary is 5,000, then for 2 years it will be 10,000. So here 10,000 salaries will be deducted. A is entitled to get a salary, and B and C we will place dash. Total comes to 10,000. From 21,000 minus 10,000 it comes to 11,000, and from the rest remains the same. 23,500 for B, 23,500 for C. Total comes to 58,000. Now this 58,000 will be divided among the partners in their capital ratio. That is calculated as here. Calculation of capital ratio. Capital of A, B and C 50,000, 25,000, 25,000. So common zeros will be cancelled. So it comes to 50, 25, 25. 2 is to 1 is to 1, or 2/4, 1/4, 1/4. Now it will be divided and it comes to rupees 29,000 for A, 14,500 for B, 14,500 for C. Total comes to 58,000. We will subtract it. From 11,000 minus 29,000, it comes to minus 18,000. From 23,500 minus 14,500, it comes to 9,000. From 23,500 minus 14,500, it comes to 9,000, and here it comes nil. So B and C are having a positive balance, so there they will be debited. But as the capitals are fixed, so the entry will be passed through the current account. B's current account debit, C's current account debit 9,000 each, to A's current account 18,000.